In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes on Square. This walkthrough will help you get taxes working correctly for in-person checkouts, your online store, and any delivery or pickup orders, so everything calculates the way you expect. First, open your Square tax settings. Sign into your Square dashboard on the web, then head to Settings. From there, go to Account and Settings, Open Payments, and find the section labeled Sales Taxes. Depending on your region, you might see it listed as Taxes or VAT. If you manage multiple locations, make sure you're in the correct business or location context before you proceed. Next, create a tax rate. Click Create Tax to open a new tax setup. Give it a clear, recognizable name. Something like Sales Tax or VAT is perfect. Enter the tax rate for your area, such as 5% or 12%. Select the location or locations where this tax applies, which is especially important if you have different rates in different places. Then decide which items the tax applies to. You can apply it to all current and future taxable items, which is the easiest option, or select specific items if you sell products or services that are tax-exempt. Choose whether the tax is additive or inclusive. Additive means the tax is added on top of the item's price during checkout, which is common in many regions. Inclusive means the tax is already baked into the price you display, which is typical for some VAT-based markets. Pick the behavior that matches your regional rules and the way you price your items. Optionally, decide if this tax should also apply to custom amounts, shipping fees, or non-physical items like services or digital goods. Only enable these if your local regulations require it. When everything looks correct, click Save. Now, apply tax to online orders and shipping. In your online store settings, review delivery and pickup tax overrides and shipping and non-physical sales taxes. Here, you can set whether taxes apply automatically based on your item and location settings, or if you need to assign them manually. This is also where you confirm whether shipping and service fees should be taxed. If some items are tax-exempt or you don't want tax on certain sales, make sure those items are configured as non-taxable or that the tax isn't assigned to them. After saving, run a quick test checkout, both in person and online, to confirm the tax appears correctly on receipts. If your rates change, return to these settings to update them promptly. That's it. You're ready to collect taxes accurately with Square.